Have you showered today? And by the way, how many times do I have to scream your name before you run out? Are you deaf or something? Stand well, comport yourself when I'm talking to you. Stand at attention, yes. Stand properly. Get me a glass of juice. And don't forget to use pep when coming outside. You stink. Come back here. Did you wash the glass?
Yes, I washed the glass.
Oh, you washed the glass?
Yes, madam.
So you mean you washed the glass, girl?
Yes, madam.
Are you trying to say I can't perceive well?
No, madam.
Come closer. Come now, come closer. Are you mad? Have you lost it? Get out! You dirty pig! I said get lost! Get lost! You bag of cement! All this lived from the village. When you don't live a luxurious life, how will you know how to do things? Bag of cement. That's a thing. Just felt everywhere. Stephanie. 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 Good morning, Stephanie. Please, can you help me with my dress?
Tessie, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry, I've been battling with my dress since. I don't know what is wrong with it. Please, can you help me fix it?
Tessie, so you have left spiritual to come physical for me?
Stephanie, I'm lost here. What are you talking about?
If you like, be lost. You will be lost from my life today, tomorrow, and forever. So you left your room, all the way down to my room, to ask me to zip your clothes. Did you leave a man here, in this room, to zip your clothes for you?
Stephanie, I meant no harm. I just wanted to...
Shut up! Shut up and get out of my room! This minute! Tessie, get out! Out! You witch! Ugly witch!
You mean you woke up and saw her standing in front of you?
Right in my front, Mommy. And it was so scary.
But when I'm alive, you will never be a servant. In fact, you will not be a slave to your younger one.
Never.
But sweetheart, it could be fever or stress.
Mommy, this is not fever. This was so real.
I rebuke it. I rebuke her in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I rebuke. Don't be scared. I'm your mother. I'm here. Nothing will ever go wrong.
Amen.
See, when she comes back, you will settle this matter here and now. Don't be scared at all. But you still have to take malaria drugs, okay?
If you say so, Mom. Look at your friend.
She looks like a masquerade.
That is fashion.
I swear, madness. She looks funny.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hey, Tessie. Come up here. Now, how many times have I warned you never to go close to my property?
I do not understand. I do not understand.
Now, what gave you the nerves to go close to my room, let alone touching my clothes?
You've got it all wrong, sis. This dress is mine, not yours. Remember I asked you for yours and you refused, so I decided to get it as well. I love the dress.
Lies. Lies from the pit of hell, Tessie. So how come I've not seen mine in a long while? How come?
Stephanie, please, I just came back and I am so tired. This is not your dress, please.
Take off my clothes this minute. Stephanie, this is not your dress. Mine.
Fully talk and give her the face!
What's going on here? So you can't be satisfied without fighting your sister. What's wrong with you? It's your younger sister, come on. Do you have any other sister anywhere? And you're here, watching them as a referee? You couldn't even stop them?
You will never ask. You will never ask what the problem is. You just come in, you side her without even knowing what the problem is. That's the problem I have with you. Can't you just ask? You just side her. I knew it.
So you just be there and watch them. You should separate them. That's what you should do. You should bring up these kids properly. Not like this. I've told you several times. Stop siding Stephanie. Stop doing that. They're sisters. They're one blood. Treat them properly. You can't be siding her against her sister. Is that how you want to train them?
What are you? Are you not the father? Train her. Look at her there. Train her. Let me train my own daughter. At least this is called division of labor. When you come in, ask what is going on before you side her. Once you come in, you will not ask. You just blow like thunder. Grrr, that's it. Let me carry my daughter.
So much for the mother.
Dad, why does Mom hate me so much? If she's not calling me a cursed child, then it's my sister always fighting me.
Listen, my daughter. You are not a cursed child. You are a blessing. A beautiful blessing at that. Okay? Listen, don't take heed to whatever she's saying. Right? Just think positive and that's all. Okay, now stop. Come here.
To your Majesty, Thomas. It's indeed an honor hosting you in my house.
Thank you, Your Majesty. The honor is mine.
Not just you, but alongside your delectable daughters.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Ah, my dear, you don't have to thank me. Anybody that sees them knows that they are feeding very well. Well taken care of.
Your Majesty, we have no choice. I mean, this is where our money is going.
Yeah.
We are the ones we are working for.
Well, can we say yes? You know, when you see them, then you know that the money is going through the right channel. you know, a friend of mine said, when you have money, wherever you put it, it will show.
Exactly.
If you decide to put it in your pocket, it will bulge. Now that you're putting it in your children, look at their cheeks. I just hope their mother is Also as well-fed and as
Oh,
good as
certainly.
the
Certainly.
children. And she's not here.
No, unfortunately, she went to see her people and she couldn't make it back because she missed her flight. So we decided to come.
You see this man here? Oh, this is one solid foundation, one solid pillar I have in my kingdom. His money is everywhere, and I feel it here. We feel it. Using his money to build our kingdom. He has a large heart, benevolent.
I am honored, Your Majesty.
Members of my cabinet have actually nominated you for a chieftaincy award, and I will be communicating that to you in due course.
Oh, Your Majesty, you have done enough already. I mean, what I do for this community, I do out of my heart. I mean, from my own free will. I'm not expecting any chieftaincies that I already have many.
Yes, I know. You have many, but you don't have any award. You don't have any chieftaincy title bearing my imprimatur. You need it.
Well, Your Majesty, I mean, who am I to say no? When the great king of his Senu kingdom has said he will do something,
Yes.
I can only accept.
Oh, yes. So, can we now move to the dining? Huh?
Oh, so the smell of the okra soup wasn't for anything else.
Yes. It has to go down the way it's supposed to go. Yes.
Yes, it is some.
Oh, yes.
Okra soup and okra soup that I did do.
You have to pay me my money or else roll.
You're a fool. It's your coconut head that will roll. Fool! That is what you are. What is going on here?
I think that question should be directed to this your foolish. Oh,
shut up! Shut that trap! How dare you walk into my father's house and call my sister names?
Why won't I call her names? No, tell me. Why won't I call her names? When your sister and I had a business transaction and she thinks she can outsmart me. Now listen and listen very good. You have to pay me my money or else.
Else what? Else what, young man? How dare you raise that squalling finger of yours to point at my sister while talking to her? Oh, you want to beat her up? You are not even ashamed of yourself that you are raising your muscles with a woman. Can you fight your fellow man? Can you? My friend, will you get up before I call the cops on you? I said please, get up! Please, get up!
Okay, no problem. I will leave. Now you listen and listen very good. I'm going, but you won't get away.
Get out! Get away, get out! Nonsense. Aren't you leaking? That is what you are. Business transactions being overlooked. How? Who called you into this matter? Who asked for your opinion? I was just trying to... Shut up. Stupid fool. Get away! You're lucky I'm in a good mood. If not, I would have skinned you alive. Nitwit.
Oh, Mom, you need to see this dress. It's so beautiful.
Classy.
I know.
Yeah. And then I made arrangements for buffet.
Happy
Music.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you.
going on here?
Daddy, today's Stephanie's birthday!
Oh my God. I totally forgot. It skipped my memory.
Why won't you skip your mind? If it were to be your lovely daughter's own, you would have remembered.
Oh, come on. Don't say that. I'm sorry.
Daddy, do you really hate me that much? Yes, because it seems like things that concerns me does not matter to you at all.
Come on, Steph. Don't say that. Don't say that about your father. Eh? The problem is that I've been bugged with a lot of work lately. And that's why I didn't remember. I'm sorry about that. Please forgive me.
Come on, Stephanie. Why would you even say that hates you? Probably he was busy with work.
You shut up. No works for your stupid opinion.
Hey. Steph, don't do that. Come on. She was just standing in the gap for me.
Oh, please, Steph, don't let no one spoil your birthday for you. Okay? Tell us, how is the birthday celebration going to look like?
Buffet, boat cruise with my friends, music. Oh, well, it's going to be wonderful.
In that case, all we will do is to write you a check to cover all the expenditures.
Are you? Oh,
And
thank
to
you
add
so
to this
much,
wonderful
Mommy.
surprise, I've got a surprise for you, sis. I also have a surprise for you, Stephanie. Ta-da! I got this for you. I know you'd like it. You like it, right?
Are you this senseless? You got me a cheap perfume for my birthday. To see, of all the gifts in this world, you chose this cheap perfume to get me, Stephanie.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Why don't you just appreciate her? Just appreciate her. I mean, she got you a gift. And the gift is not bad. I mean, this perfume is expensive. I see it in shops in Paris. Come on. It's the heart that counts. Not even the gift, really. Don't do this. Come on. Okay. It's okay. So, I'm going to make it up to you. Right? So, what do you want for your
A car. A car, Daddy. Yes. A car, Dad. Yes, because I think it's high time I got a car. All my friends have the latest models of car, except me, Stephanie. It's high time I got a car.
Stephanie, I will not get you a car. Oh yes, a car is not the gift you need. You want a car because all your friends are driving cars. No. You've been in school for too long, you don't deserve it now. Graduate first, then I get you a car. If you graduate the same time with your sister, then I get you 2 cars. But for now, you don't get a car. Make do with what you have. Alright?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you very much. Thank you for ruining my day. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for ruining my day. Thank you.
Oh, that's Igwe. I called you here for an important announcement. My first son, Jeffrey, who has been studying in the United States of America, will be coming home soon, following his graduation. So it's a great thing in this royal household.
It is great news, my king, that our prince is finally coming back home to his fatherland.
Oh, yes.
And it is worthy of celebration, isn't it?
Of course it is. And really, this calls for celebration.
Celebration. That celebration starts now.
Exactly.
Akwadola, akwado.
Yes.
We are ready for it.
The drops will roll.
Oh, yes. Idika,
Your Majesty.
go and bring that special palm wine.
Yes, Your Majesty.
They need it.
We need it.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Imagine that idiot. Low life. He could not even spray deodorant. Stinking armpit. But he wants to date me. Me, Stephanie. Hey.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
And what did you tell him?
I told him he's not in my class. And he started begging that, oh, money is not everything. Happiness, love, really.
Well, tralala. I wonder why you people did not come finally. I thought you were supposed to finish early and join us. Why? You missed. Honestly, you were not there when they announced her as a first-class graduate. Not just that.
Yes, Mommy.
She won the best graduating student of the year. Congratulations, my love. Oh, you should congratulate her. Come on, Steph, congratulate your sister.
So, she should prostrate for her. Because you're a graduate, she should just prostrate. Are you the first to graduate?
I wonder.
Don't do that. You should encourage her. You should. Then why can't you just congratulate your sister? Instead of making faces, you should be ashamed of yourself. You've been in school 7 years for a 4-year course. Oh yes, and you still haven't graduated. We don't even know if you will graduate. I don't know why you're doing this. You should be encouraging the children. Who should we be encouraging? Someone that is still in school that we don't even know if she's going to graduate? Or someone who made a first class and graduated as the best graduating student? Anyway, like Tessie, like father, like Steph, like mommy. Come on, my darling. Let's go. Come on, darling. Let's go. First class. Well, like Tessie, like daddy, like Steph, like mommy.
Mommy, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Dad came to mock me.
Musa, this work don't tire me. This work, you don't tire me.
Move it. When I stand for work and I be complain, I don't tire.
Now, Madam Stephanie. Now, Madam Stephanie make me tired for this work. She too wicked. Why she no go just be like her sister, Madam Tessie? Why?
Move it. Let me advise you, pa. Forget about Madam Stephanie and focus for the work I come here for. Madam Tessie, Madam Stephanie, I know be the same. I be two different people, pa.
Musa, I know. I know say people no be the same. But you see, Madam Tessie, she better pass Madam Stephanie. Where?
You can check her.
Okay. See Madam Stephanie, we don't enter school, tay. She no fit graduate. But see Madam Tessie, we just enter. No. She don't graduate. Come out with better results. Better one.
Love it. This one I just so cool. Wallahi na true I talk far. Madam Tessie, then when I get her for bread. Eh? Madam Stephanie, I don't get her for anything as well. See, when Madam Stephanie and Madam Tessie and you secondary school, Madam Stephanie come back with face. Madam Stephanie carry nothing for. Zero.
You see wetin I talk? Nothing dey inside this her head. And now she sabi show body. Now she.
See, Tessie, let me advise you, go. See, go. I go back to my duty post. Let me go back to my duty post before I go put me for problem in this house. Go back to my duty post.
No, sir, na me you dey talk to.
Yeah.
I no go give you food to chop today. You go see am.
Go back. Let me not put me for problem.
So these useless servants have the guts to say Tessie is better than I am. We shall see. If you don't know you, I'll take you around the world. I think you can see everything. So give me your hands, give me your word. And what the hell is going on here? Good afternoon. I said, what is going on here?
Madam Texie asked me to prepare noodles for her.
How many times have I warned you? There are only two madams in this house, which is my mother and myself. I'm sorry. How many times? Sorry for your useless self. Now, take this money. Run down the road and get me small chops. What did I say?
Small chops.
Good. Hurry. Are you mad? I said rush down and get me small chops. Get out here.
Ma, I will go when I'm done with the preparing the noodles.
It's like you need another resounding slap. It's like you want me to slap that your stupid face again. Now get out. Are you crazy? Get out! Nitwit. Stupid thing.
Tessie, you didn't leave anything on fire?
No.
Are you not perceiving the smell?
Mommy,
Huh?
Mommy, can you imagine Lovett? She left food on the fire to burn.
What?
Yes.
Love it! Love it! Where is she?
Maybe she went to see one of her numerous boyfriends. Stephanie, shut up.
Look! Look! Come here. Come here. You want to burn this house? You want to burn down my house? Have your father or mother or great-grandfather or 10th generation ever dreamt of building this kind of house? Have you ever seen this kind of house in your dream before? Is it not here you saw this house? So you want to burn it? Mother, please calm down. Shut up! You want to burn it? If the devil wants to use you, can't you tell the devil that you're not available? You want to burn down my house? Are you stupid to have left that pot on fire for God knows what? What is wrong with you?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ma. I wanted to turn off the gas before going out to get something for Madam Stephanie, but she refused.
Huh?
I wanted to turn the gas off before she asked me to go and get something for her.
Have you gone insane? How dare you use my name to lie?
Stephanie, why are you this mean? Where is your conscience?
Hey, keep quiet.
Look who is talking about conscience. Weren't you the one who asked her to cook for you?
Eh?
Oh, you didn't know.
So you plan this with her? To burn down my house? So it's a plan to burn down my house? Devil, you! I'll kill you! I'll...
Just be quiet
Okay.
and just stay here for me.
Okay. Okay. Finally.
There. That car belongs to you. That's for you.
Thank you so much.
That's the gift for your graduation.
Oh, thank you, Dad. I love you, Dad.
I love you too.
Thank you. So, Daddy, you mean this is my Maserati?
Of course, that's your gift for graduation.
Daddy, this is beautiful. So, I'm gonna hop to my Maserati. Hop to my Maserati. Thank you so much, Dad.
That's okay.
Thank you.
And you know what? You know you cannot drive, so I'm going to get you a driver who will be taking you around once your hands are strong.
All this for me? Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Are you okay? Sorry.
Are you mad? Stephanie, that was too harsh. I'm crazy. Are you stupid?
Sorry.
The both of you are mad. Mad people. Mad people, that's what you are. Tessie, you are stupid. Tessie, you are a fool. I don't blame you. I do not blame you, Tessie. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are a fool. That's who you are. Fool. Stephanie, my baby girl, you sounded so urgent on the phone. What is the problem? What?
Pinky, I feel so bitter. I feel so ashamed. I have never in my entire life been this humiliated by anybody. Talk more of my father.
You've not still said anything yet. What is the problem, Stephanie? What?
My father has made me so low before that idiot, Tessie.
How? What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
Just because she made an ordinary first class. An ordinary first class.
Oh.
He bought her a car. And you know how much I have been begging, clamoring for a car. But he refused.
What an insult. What a blow. This is so displeasing to the ears that your younger sister has a car and you're still using your Lekadi's Benz jumping from one cap to the other. Abba, baby, this is not good at all.
On my way back home from morning jogging, I saw her flaunting her car. In fact, you almost killed me with your car.
It's a lie.
Yes, you almost ran into me.
Oh my God. What did you do then? Did you just let them go like that? You know, flat the 4 tires for them.
Me, Stephanie, I slapped the both of them. So I gave the both of them dirty slaps.
Who dare?
In fact, if I had seen a stone, I would have stoned that useless car.
That's my baby. You did so great. That was so wonderful. Hey, baby, if I do more than that. As in, if na me, I swear, that car, you no go even enter our compound. You know, for enter that compound, I swear. For waiting. Don't let that happen. That girl is your younger sister. You are supposed to own a car before her. So don't let it happen. Do something about it. You know you are the Stephanie. Stephanie the game changer. My baby girl that changes things. Baby, do something about it. Now. Who they here? I better bring me Heineken. Which kind of nonsense.
That's what happens though.
when you are showing off on time. The way this man runs like it. Especially when you don't have a time to shoot it. Don't be like Nigerian movies, one more. When you need to shoot, you don't have time. That's crazy. It goes down when I disconnect.
I swear. With the cash cruise for them.
Rich and bougie babies.
Rich and bougie.
Rich and bougie babies.
Cash cruise.
Oh my goodness. Sit down, my friend.
Whoa! It's good to be home, man.
Please, I wonder, I don't know how many minutes I've left at this program.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa, Stephanie, what was that for?
What was that?
You came in here and saw my friend and I seen a program. And you changed the channel without asking us.
Who they talk?
I don't find the voice. I don't know where the voice comes from.
Oh, Tessie. This is me. I do whatever I want, whenever I want, however I want to do it.
That's all.
So you take yourself and your low life friend somewhere else. I and my darling friend Binky wants to watch this program.
Indeed, age is not maturity. Age is not maturity at all.
And who are you referring to, you nitwit?
To the dog that just barked.
Are you in any way trying to call my friend a dog? I'm about this. Let's go to
Oh, no. She goes nowhere. I want you to tell me who you were referring to as a dog.
Better.
Who else, if not you? You are a dog. In fact, both of you are dogs.
You are mad. You must be very stupid. Stephanie, did you hear that?
Have you seen mad people? In fact, you have enough chain. Share the chain between each other. Start sharing yourself.
Stephanie, you better shut the door up! Shut the door up! You don't dare come into my father's house and talk to my face. Are you okay? Are you dead? I said shut it.
Annabelle, I am going to show you how a mad dog, a backing dog, behaves.
Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on.
Leave her, let her fight. Bring it on, madam.
Hello, good day, Commissioner. Yeah, listen, this is no time for pleasantries. Some hoodlums dispossessed my daughter of her car when she was coming back from the supermarket today. Yes. And you know what? They even have the effrontery to touch her lay their filthy hands on her. That's my problem right now. Please, Commissioner, honestly, I cannot wait. Okay? Yes, I'll wait for your call. Please, very urgent, as soon as possible. I want those hoodlums apprehended. Okay.
Daddy, what did he say? What did he say?
Oh, well, it's okay. You need to calm down now. He says they're going to swing into action and then they will get them. Okay? Come on, you need to stop now. Eh? Let's know what we are looking for is the car, not your blood pressure.
Daddy, how can I be relaxed?
Calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Listen. Calm down. That's okay.
Hello. Yes, you guys did a great job. You guys did a great job. Now, listen to me. Listen. Sell that car to someone far away, okay? Sell it very far, cross borders if you can. My dad just called the commissioner of police and wants to begin investigation. Call me once you have a buyer. Bye. Oh.
Hey! Let's go! Let's read again! Whoa! He said, and so,
Pinky baby, take anything you want.
I believe you.
There is money.
Who there?
Everything.
Who there?
There is what? Money.
Stephanie the game changer. The master planner. The money free. Oh, mama, you be everything I told you. You just now so. Ooh. Baby, come on. Whoa. Yeah. Come on. Wow, my baby. Oh, who that pretty? Baby, I beg, now for some more. Want some more? Whoa. Whoa. Let's get high.
Tessie, I must confess you're a good cook. This food is nice. Your husband to be will enjoy it. I'm telling you.
I'm happy you're enjoying the meal.
Stephanie, you should actually tell your sister to teach you how to cook. Better off.
Who said I cannot cook?
The last one was evident. Tell her to teach you how to cook. It's not a problem. Where are you going?
I just lost my appetite. Mom?
Same here.
Dad, why do they keep doing this?
Eat your food.
God, I love my mother and sister so much, but I don't understand this constant hatred. Where have I gone wrong? I do possibly everything to please them,
Yet they hate me so much.
Mama. The ever sweet mama. The energetic mama. Mama, you're so sweet. So energetic, so strong. The way you give it to me, I can't control it. I mean, you're very sweet like sweet 16.
Now you have a way of getting me crazy. You have to go before my kids come back, okay? Yes, sir.
Okay, but before I go, at least can I have a peck?
Wrong, the kids are back. I can't.
Please, come.
It's okay.
Tessie, let's go inside. I'm hungry. Let's go.
Stephanie, do you know that man?
I don't know. From the way he's dressed, I think maybe he came to repair something. Let's go. That's small. Let's go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Uncle, please, who are you and what exactly are you fixing in our house?
Yes, what are you always fixing?
I'm sorry, I have to go. Bye-bye.
Uncle! Stephanie, can you imagine I'm talking to him and he just walked out? Musa!
Come here.
Come here! Who is that man and what is he always fixing in our house?
Wallahi, madam, I don't know.
You don't know?
Wallahi to lie, madam, let's get
Musa, you don't know?
Yes, madam.
Tessie, I think we should ask mommy.
Mommy!
My beautiful angels. How was school today?
Fine,
School was
mommy.
fine.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you,
Thank
Mommy.
you.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
who is that man that comes to our house in the afternoon to fix something? And what is he fixing that has not been repaired yet?
I can see that my angels are growing. He came to fix our gas cooker.
But Mom, there's nothing wrong with our gas. It's working perfect.
Oh, come on, keep quiet. What do you know? It's working perfectly well and I used 2 hours to boil water.
But Mom,
Just shut up. I said he came to fix our gas. Oh, please leave my side. What do you know I'm talking about? I told you that the gas is not working well. Are you here questioning me? Leave my side. Didn't you hear me?
Mommy.
And you, what are you doing here? Oh, come on, run. Run off!
Tessie.
Daddy, something is bothering me.
Listen, beauty and worry do not match. What could be bothering my angel?
Dad, there's this particular man that comes to our house every afternoon in the name of mechanic, claiming to fix something, and my spirit does not like him.
I don't understand this. Someone comes here every afternoon like claiming to be a mechanic. What is he fixing? And I don't know?
Daddy, I don't know. Daddy, I want you to look into it. I want you to know exactly who he is and what he is fixing.
Okay. Is that all that is worrying you?
Yes,
It's okay. You shouldn't worry yourself now. I'm going to take care of it. I will look into it and make sure I unravel what is going on. Huh? Even you should pay attention to and find out exactly what he's doing. Right?
Yes,
that's okay.
Oh, welcome, honey.
Who is this young?
He came to repair our cooking gas.
Really?
Yes, honey.
So how come you've not told me that the cooking gas has been bad all this while? And from the information I gathered, he's been coming here for about a week now. Now listen to me, young. I do not want to see your two left legs in this house anymore. Do you understand that? Because if I see them, I will shoot you, I will cut them to pieces, and then force your people to wear black like this. Do you understand? Get out of my house now. I'm going already.
So Tessie had the guts to report me to her father. Oh, I thank God I was not caught. But Tessie will pay dearly for this act. Honey. So you have the guts to report me to your father in this house. Raise your hand. Raise this hand up. Don't bring it down today. You're very stupid. Or you want to be a good daughter and your mother a bad wife. Is that what you're trying to prove? Is that what you're trying to prove? No, Mommy. Keep this house like this. Put your head up. Face up. I'll teach you a lesson in this house. You see the other side of me. You're very stupid. Right now. Is it because you have breasts like me? So you think you've grown? You think you can do anything? You separate the hand. Separate it. Separate the hand. Let it be like that. Let me see you bring it down in this house. Rubbish. Shift very well in front. And stop shaking your breath when I'm talking to you. Stupid girl. In this house, you will see me in this house. Useless girl.
Oh yeah, I told you I have a surprise for you. Well.
And who is this?
Her name is Lovett, our new housemaid.
Company. I thought I told you that we don't need a housemaid in this house.
Yes, I thought of it too, but I just believed it was necessary to ease you of all the house chores and load of the house. You know the other time you were complaining about waist pain. I don't want you complaining at all. You did it last week, you complained. So, since the children are not around. Anyway, when you're done, take her to her room and let her freshen up and all those things. Then after that, you make me something to eat. I'm famished. While I freshen up. So this is your madam, I love it. Okay.
Okay. Why would my husband employ a maid? Did he employ her to spy on me? Oh, sooner or later, I will find out. It's okay. Pick your bag and follow me. Yes. Don't be in a hurry so much. That's fine.
Never The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere. Chimu melamu kandiacha. But they painted me black. Fatalemu in a row. I'm destined to fly with colors. But they have pulled me down.
He said he wanted to see us. What is this all about?
Mother. Stephanie. Please, if there's anything I've done to wrong you people, knowingly and unknowingly, please, I'm sorry.
And where is this coming from, Tessie?
Stephanie, you have changed. You have changed from that loving and caring elder sister I used to know.
Really? I have changed? And are you just realizing that I have changed a lot? Are you? And tell me, why won't I change? Why won't I change when all you do is flaunt yourself around? All my life I have been compared with you, Tessie. Tessie this, Tessie is loving, Tessie is kind, Tessie. And to even make things worse, you have succeeded in bewitching Father to taking sides with you in whatever you choose to do. You were nothing but bad luck.
Stephanie! That's way too harsh. Why will you say I am bad luck?
Did you just realize that now? You are a bad luck. In fact, you're a curse to this family. I nearly lost my life while giving birth to you. Ever since I gave birth to you, it has been one trouble to the other. Your father almost lost his life on the way coming to see you in the hospital when I gave birth to you. You are not only a curse, you're a disaster. You're a failure. I got brought you through this womb. You're a disaster to this family.
What is this? Crocodile tears. Crocodile tears.
Tessie, what is going on? What is wrong? What's this? Give it to me. You've been like this for days. When did you start drinking? What's wrong? What is wrong with you?
What am I living for? I just want to die!
Don't say that word again. Don't speak that word again. God is the giver of life. You don't have an authority to take your life. Don't do that. You've been like this for days. What has come over you? Quiet. Don't say that.
Mother said I am cursed. A disaster. A bad luck. Father, is this true?
That can never be true. Listen, Tessie. You are a blessed child. I'm not cursed. You are blessed. You are the best thing that ever happened to me, to us, to the family. Don't say that word again. Okay? Hey. Put yourself together, Tessie. That's enough now. Susan. What's wrong with you? What kind of a mother are you? Why would you want to destroy your own daughter, a child you gave birth to?
Douglas! Why are you shouting? Am I owing you? Why are you calling my name like that?
Why would you call your own daughter a cursed girl? I don't understand. Why would you tell her that she almost killed us? Why would you want to destroy the life of a daughter you had yourself?
Now I am lost. I don't know what are you talking about?
Why would you call her a cursed child? Why would you tell your daughter she's cursed? Those are not kind words to tell a child.
Is it not true? Is it not true? She is a cursed child. Is it not true that she nearly killed me while I was giving birth to her? Is it not true that you nearly died on your way to the hospital the day I gave birth to her? Is it not true that since she was born into this house, everything turned upside down? Is it not true that she's a cause?
Shut your mouth and shut it. What's wrong with you? These children are your children. Why would you hate her? Anyway, you think I don't know why you hate her? Just because she told me of your illicit affairs. And that's why you hate her. Because she refused to bend the way Stephanie has bent to you.
That girl is a cursed
Oh,
child.
shut up. Let me finish. Stop. What's wrong with you? Now let me warn you. Anything happens to Tess, you will have me to contend.
She is cursed.
Stop.
No, sign me. Slap me. Slap me because of your daughter. Slap me. A cursed child. A disaster to this family. A failure. I don't know how I gave birth to that girl. Honestly, let me continue with my
Oh my God.
And what is going on here?
Welcome, sis.
You still haven't answered my question, Tessie. What is going on here? Does this place look like a brothel to you? You have the guts to bring in men into the house. And you, don't you have any sense? Don't you have sense of manners at least?
See, he is not just a regular man. This is Alex, my fiancé. And he's a medical doctor. He came to see mom and dad. But they're not around. So he's still waiting. Sweetheart, meet my sweet sister Stephanie. I've been telling you about.
Pardon my manners.
It's okay.
I was just looking out for her.
It's okay. I'm Alex.
And I'm Stephanie.
It's a pleasure.
The pleasure is all mine. Tessie, take care of him while I go up and freshen up.
Of course, I'm not taking care of you.
Oh, you are.
Okay. I told you my sister is a very nice person.
So yeah, you're gonna like this one.
I love this one.
Oh my God. That guy is so handsome. And he's a medical doctor as well. And with the way he looks and smells, he looks wealthy. Hold on a minute. Did I hear Tessa say he's my fiancé and came to see mom and dad? Which means she might be getting married to this guy anytime soon. It will not work. Never. No way. No.
Yes, Tessie. What about the young man that was supposed to come and see us?
Dad, he came yesterday, though you and mom were not around.
No.
But Stephanie met with him.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Steph, so what was your assessment? How about him?
He was just there. Absolutely nothing special about him.
Stephanie.
Oh, it's okay, Tessie, come on. Just arrange with him to come again another day. Okay? Book an appointment for him. Anyway, so that brings me to the food. Steph, what happened? You made this food? What kind of food is this? The presentation is zero, the taste is nowhere to, nothing to write home about. What's all this?
Daddy, there is nothing wrong with this rice.
You don't see anything wrong with this?
Nothing.
It's a different type of rice, honey.
What kind of rice is that without good presentation? The rice is not even done? Is this the kind of thing you teach her? You should learn.
Daddy, this is Caribbean rice.
Oh, rubbish. Next time you make Nigerian rice, let me know what you're eating. What's this?
Stephanie, actually, there is too much Maggi and salt in this rice. And it's also very strong.
Are you mad? You stupid, have you gone crazy?
Shut your mouth. Not in my presence, but you should learn how to cook. That's what we said. Not bringing all this rubbish presentation before me to eat. Eating like people in the gutter.
Oh, this is Caribbean rice.
Excuse me, what Caribbean rice? I'm out of here. Go to eat out. If you want to come with me, come around.
Oh, Dad, please, I'll join you.
Is it my fault that they refuse to travel? They don't even know Caribbean rice.
They lack exposure, man.
Honestly.
But sweetheart, there's so much pepper in this rice. Yes. How could you serve this rice without chicken or fish? Okay, next time cook Nigerian rice. At least present it with pomo. Pomo will help.
Follow me, I need you to come clean my room.
Mom, I'm still washing.
You said what?
I'm still washing.
You're still washing. Lovett, I asked you to go clean my room. And you have the nerves to tell me that you are still washing.
Stephanie, why are you this mean and heartless? Why do you treat everyone as if they are animals?
Tessie, this should be the first and the last time you dare interrupt me when I'm talking to this animal.
You should have it at the back of your mind that the fact that she's working in her father's house does not make her his slave.
And if she's not a slave, what is she? What is she? Sorry. Go to your room and freshen up.
If you move an inch, love it. If you dare, did I give you permission to leave?
Now go upstairs to my room and clean my room.
Love it! Ma, go to your room and freshen up.
Love it.
Stephanie, this should be the last time you treat Love it in this manner.
And what if I do?
What if I do?
I meant every word I said.
Love it! Tessie!
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. One day I'm going to teach you a lesson you will never forget in your entire life. Stupid animal. Fools! That's what the both of you are. Like pigs. You.
I called both of you here because your attitude is now unbecoming. I mean, you are causing me so much pain with all the fight and fight as if you are two rival gangs. Fighting each other like cat and dogs. You're supposed to be blood sisters, relating like one. Same blood flows through you. You should protect each other and guide each other, not fighting all the time. Sometimes you people make me regret that I do not have a male child. You know, at least I would have had someone to look up to. It's not as if it matters that if one has a male child or the children have children. But you keep sounding it in my mind. Learn to live with each other in peace, for crying out loud. Please. It's giving me so much pain, and I don't know how else to express it.
Dad, we are sorry. We are sorry for all the pains we've caused you. Stephanie, say something.
We are sorry, Daddy. We are sorry.
Please, God, forgive us. Hi, sis. Thank God you're here. Oh, this will save my stress. Sister, you... Why are you like this? Stephanie, what's wrong?
Tizzy, I'm sorry. I want to apologize for my bad behavior. I am deeply, deeply sorry, Tessie. I know that I have wronged you. Please forgive me. I beg of you.
Please. It's fine. I mean, sisters do have misunderstanding. Is that why your face is like this? Come on, cheer up. So, sister, before you came in, I was just trying to...
Tessie. Actually, there is this friend of mine whose mother is down with stroke, and it's really bad. It's really bad. I mean, they've tried herbs, they've seen a lot of doctors, and they actually don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do.
And this friend of yours must be very close to you.
Yes.
But I can give you my fiance's phone number. You know he's a medical doctor, so I don't know.
Are you serious? You would do that for me, Tessie?
Stephanie, I would do anything for you.
Thank you. Thank you, darling.
So can you brighten up now? So before you came in, I was just trying to check which clothes and
Tessie, please, can you help me with the number so I can go call him and we can talk on how to...
That's not a problem.
You have it in your head?
Of course, it's my fiancé. Bring it. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Steph, can you help me out? I don't know, I'm so confused. I don't know which...
The blue one.
The blue one, right?
It's beautiful. It's classy. It suits you perfectly.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. It's Probably go. Sorry, Tessie. Where are you preparing to?
Actually, I have a date with Alex. So I want to look hot and sexy for him.
Tessie, darling, please excuse me.
Alright, no problem. Don't worry, when I'm back, I'll just you.
Do have a wonderful day, my darling.
My
darling.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ciao.
It's nice to have you here. Please, sit. Come and sit.
So, what do I offer you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
I insist. It's the first time in my house.
Put on a second. Right back. There you go.
Oh,
I hope you like it.
thank you.
It's French wine. I hope you like it. It's French wine. Over the phone, you said something of a woman who has stroke, and you want me to examine. How can I see? Are you? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Here.
My hands are full.
Sorry,
It's just...
okay.
How come I'm calling Alex and he's not taking his calls? Meanwhile, he asked for us to see. Could it be that he had an emergency in the hospital? No way. He's on leave. I think I should just go to his house. Let me try his number again. What's going on here? Stephanie! Alex.
Around the wall, step, step, around the wall, step, step, around the body, around the step, step, around the wall, step, around the wall, hey, around the wall, step, step, over the wall, step, step, around the wall, step, step, around the wall. Over the wall, step, step, over the wall, hey. Over the wall, step,
can we
over
talk?
the wall, hey. I'm all ears, darling.
Stephanie, why?
What? And why what?
Stephanie, why do you hate me this much? Of all the men in the world, you chose to sleep with my fiancé.
Come off it, my darling. That guy is not your man. And last time I checked, there was no ring on your finger. He's not your husband. As a matter of fact, he was so easy to get. He belongs to me, probably you, and every other girl on the street. Tessie. Now I see why you are my sister. You have good taste. Alex is sweet. Alex is amazing. Baby girl, you needed to see the way he grew. Stop it! I was so trying to give you details of what went down. He's so... Stop it! Stop it! Never stop
I don't want this. I don't want this to have this conversation ever again.
Oh. Nonsense.
I cannot believe my ears. You mean Stephanie had the guts to do that to you? I mean, whose sister behaves this wicked?
She's my sister, and there's nothing I can do about it.
Spare me that sister phrase. Are you sure it is the same mother that gave birth to both of you? Because no sister in her right senses would desire a sister's man.
Annabelle, please bring down your voice, eh? Bring down your voice. Don't say it loud so that people will not hear.
Let them hear. Let them hear, Tessie. As a matter of fact, whoever I meet today, I will stop them and tell them that what we have been seeing in the movies is actually happening in real life. You are too soft for my liking, Tessie. You are just too soft. Look, the fact that Stephanie is your elder sister does not mean you should give her the right to treat you like a piece of trash. What is it?
Annabelle, it's okay. Can we change the topic?
Of course, that is what you will always say. Please, what will you drink? You've had enough morning for a day.
I don't want to drink anything.
show your ugly face in my house.
Tessie.
Don't come closer.
Just hear me out. I know you're angry right now, but I can explain.
Explain what exactly? That I saw you and my sister kissing and just get out.
Tessie, I'm sorry.
I said get out.
Tess.
Get out. Smith. Get out!
Steph and Tessie, I called you the other day to speak to you about your relationship. How to ameliorate it. But from what I'm observing, it looks like I was just pouring water on stone or inside a basket. No improvement, no change. Both of you must realize that you're sisters, not just sisters, you are blood sisters. You're supposed to love each other, live in peace together, protect each other, help each other. That's what it's supposed to be. Not living like cat and mouse or like a rat and... It's not supposed to be like that.
Dad, I am sorry. And I am also happy you called the both of us out for this reconciliation. I miss the old Stephanie. I am tired of fighting.
Yeah, tired of fighting, but you people are never in peace. That's what I want to hear. And you, Steph, you are the older of the two. She's your younger sister. You should show her the way. Protect her, guide her. Teach her what to do. That's what she's supposed to be. Not fighting her all the time as if you're struggling for something.
With all due respect, Dad, when you called this meeting, I knew very well that this meeting was to attack me. Yes. Daddy, please, if you want to talk to me, you talk to me directly and stop trying to coin ways to find a way around it. Yes.
Steph, how dare you talk to Dad with such tone?
And how dare you talk to me?
And I will talk to you countless times. You can talk to me anyhow and anytime, but not with that. For goodness sake, you not talk.
What is wrong with you? What did you eat? How dare you raise your hand? You mean you wanted to slap her in my presence? Something was wrong with you, Steph.
I think I'm done with this meeting. Yes. You guys can go on with this meeting without me.
Stephanie! Stephanie, Dad is still talking to us!
Come back here! Steph!
Oh! Who is this stalker? Leave me alone. Oh my goodness, this is a stalker. Leave me alone.
My phone was ringing. Hello?
Hello, madam. I'm calling from St. Luke Hospital. Your parents got involved in an accident and you're needed right now.
What? What is it? Mom and Dad just got involved in an accident. Are you serious? Where?
The sky is not my limit. Manando wekwere, chimu melomu kandiacha, but they painted me black. Fatelu inaruo. I'm destined to fly with colors, but they have pulled me down. Akamudiocha, Odi Emery Wandemo. Akamudiocha, Odi Emery Wandemo. Akamudiocha, Odi Emery Wandemo. Akamudiocha, Odi Emery Wandemo. Afugo Chimunyaluma, Gaja Tajirimanya Akwamano Jimtere Misio Kaja Tajirimanya Eben Kwere na Chukwa Chemugelo Tamo Eben Kwere na Chukwa Chemugelo Tamo My confidence is in God Almighty. He made me walk through the valley, shadow of death. I shall fear no evil. Makamuna Chimusaga, I shall fear no evil.